Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 6 different summer drinks, and these are great because coronavirus are here and most of these are used as immune boosters, and these are also good as for refreshments as summer is also here. I have falsa juice, mint lemonade, and orange juice over here, and these are great refreshers. And I also have watermelon juice here. I have a mint juice over here as well, to which I'm going to be adding falsa juice and orange juice. So I'm going to add one here. Here. And falsa. Okay, and over here, these are some things that are really good as immune boosters. I have black pepper, cinnamon, brown sugar, honey. Brown sugar is very healthy compared to normal sugar, and this is not for immune boosting, but honey is. It's very good for you. So it's cinnamon, black pepper, and salt, and lemons and mint. But mint is a refresher, and obviously ice. And so there you have it, your 6 immune boosting, refreshing drinks. Like I said, falsa, mint lemonade, watermelon, orange, falsa and mint, and orange and mint juice. Have your juices ready, and like I told you, they're these topping. You can take a pinch of black pepper, put it on your orange juice, and take a lemon, put it at the side of your watermelon juice. Take a mint leaf, put it on your mint lemonade. And these things just make it a lot better. And there you have it, your juices are ready. And if you guys like this video, tell me in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. You're gonna be missing a lot if you do not make these. These are great refreshers. And go follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Bye!